Hello everyone, welcome back to Expert Medical Coding. In today's video, we'll continue with Chapter 5 Guidelines Part 2. I'll start by going through the guidelines, followed by a detailed explanation to make it easy to understand. So let's get started with the guidelines. Mental and behavioral disorders due to psychoactive substance use. In remission. Selection of codes describing in remission for categories F10 to F19, mental and behavioral disorders due to psychoactive substance use requires the provider's clinical judgment and are assigned only on the basis of provided documentation, unless otherwise instructed by the classification. Mild substance use disorders in early or sustained remission are classified to the appropriate codes for substance abuse in remission, and moderate or severe substance use disorders in early or sustained remission are classified to the appropriate codes for substance dependence in remission. Now that we have read the guideline, let's understand it in more detail. Let us first see what does in remission means. In remission means the patient had a substance use disorder earlier but currently has no active symptoms. The condition is under control but it can come back, so monitoring is still needed. Remission codes should be assigned only when the provider clearly documents in remission. Coder should not assume remission based on history or patient statements. For example, a patient with alcohol dependence comes for follow-up. Doctor documents alcohol dependence in remission. So we have to assign code F10.21, alcohol dependence in remission. If the substance use disorder is mild and documented as in remission, it is coded as substance abuse in remission. Mild severity maps to abuse category. For example, mild cannabis use disorder in remission. For this, we need to assign code F12.11, cannabis abuse in remission. Even though use is documented, due to mild severity and in remission status, it is coded as cannabis abuse in remission. If the disorder is moderate or severe and in remission, it is coded as substance dependence in remission. Moderate and severe severity maps to dependence. For example, severe opioid use disorder in remission. For this, we need to assign code F11.21, opioid dependence in remission. Even though use is documented, due to severe severity and in remission status, it is coded as opioid dependence in remission. Now let's move towards the next coding guideline, and that is psychoactive substance use, abuse and dependence. When the provider documentation refers to use, abuse and dependence of the same substance, for example alcohol, opioid, cannabis, etc., only one code should be assigned to identify the pattern of use based on the following hierarchy. If both use and abuse are documented, assign only the code for abuse. If both abuse and dependence are documented, assign only the code for dependence. If use, abuse and dependence are all documented, assign only the code for dependence. If both use and dependence are documented, assign only the code for dependence. Let's understand this guideline in more detail. Sometimes providers document multiple terms for same substance like use, abuse and dependence. But as coders, we do not code all of them. We assign only one code based on the hierarchy. Here is the hierarchy. Dependence is higher than abuse and abuse is higher than use. If the patient documented both use and abuse, we have to code abuse only. Let us see the scenario. Patient comes for follow-up, doctor documents alcohol use and abuse. Here we need to assign alcohol abuse, F10.1 subcategory code. Reason, abuse is higher than use. Next scenario, if the patient documented both abuse and dependence, we have to code dependence only. Let us see the scenario. Patient admitted with opioid issues, doctor writes opioid abuse and dependence. So we have to assign opioid dependence, F11.2 subcategory code. Reason, dependence is higher than abuse. If the patient documented use, abuse and dependence, we have to code dependence only. Let us see the scenario. Doctor documents cannabis use, abuse and dependence. So we have to code cannabis dependence, F12.2 subcategory. Reason, always choose highest. Here dependence is higher in hierarchy. Now if the patient documented use and dependence, so we have to code dependence only. Let us see the scenario. The patient evaluated for cocaine use. Doctor writes cocaine use and dependence. So we have to code cocaine dependence, F14.2 subcategory code. Reason, dependence is higher in hierarchy.
Please like, share and subscribe to Expert Medical Coding. Thanks for watching.